From solution design to after-sales support, from the clean room to the sub-fab, Pfeiffer Vacuum+Fab Solutions supports every step of the semiconductor manufacturing process to fully meet your needs. More yield, less risk, real sustainability. Together with you, we turn these goals into reality. In the clean room, even microscopic contaminants disrupt yield. Our contamination management systems, turbo-molecular vacuum pumps, high-precision valves, and industry-leading leak detectors work together to maintain ultra-low particle levels and ensure vacuum integrity, enabling advanced processes like EUV lithography, ALD, dry edge process, and thin film deposition. Beneath the clean room, in the subfloor, point-of-use vacuum pumps from Pfeiffer ensure seamless cleanroom operations. For example, in load lock and transfer chambers. In the sub-fab, our vacuum pumps, dry screw and multi-stage roots vacuum pumps, for example, together with advanced abatement systems guarantee process stability, safety, and environmental control. Our service solutions provide not just tools, but proactive support. Advanced monitoring delivers real-time alerts, enabling preventive maintenance long before failures impact production. Our global Semicon service network ensures fast operation on-site, preventive maintenance and repair, restoring full performance. To summarize, what sets us apart is the way we unite three powerful capabilities. First, our leading vacuum technologies ensure consistent, reliable performance. Second, we offer one of the industry's most comprehensive portfolios of analytical devices, like contamination management systems. And third, our advanced digital solutions collect and transform data into actionable insights, enabling proactive steps like predictive maintenance. And all of this leads to what matters most, the best partner who supports your fab from clean room to sub-fab, enabling higher yield, reliable risk management, and real sustainability. Contact our global expert network to explore your tailored solution